Hello friends, welcome back to another session of Core Java tutorials. Today we'll be seeing how to use ternary operator to determine whether a given number is positive, negative, or equal to zero. So what is a ternary operator? So ternary operator will be like this with the question mark and colon, question mark followed by a colon. So ternary operator is a shorthand for an if-else statement. So ternary operator syntax will be in this way. So we'll have the condition here. So condition and question mark, like if condition true, so it will come in between this question mark and colon. If condition false, it will come after this. Okay, right. So this is the syntax of the ternary operator. And ternary operator is also called as ternary because it takes three operands. The first one is the condition. Next one is an expression if true and an expression if false. Okay, right. So this is actually used to make simple if-else decisions and all it is used to make. Ternary operators have got lower precedence than arithmetic operators, relational operators, and logical operators, but it has got higher precedence than assignment operator. The associativity of this ternary operator is from right to left. So in this video, like I'm going to show you how to use this ternary operator to find out whether the given number is positive, negative, or zero. By importing the scanner class to take user input, next, we define our main method, the entry point of the program. So what I did here is I have declared an integer variable n and created a scanner object to read input from the user. Now we prompt the user to enter a number and then store it in a variable n. Now comes the ternary magic. So I'm taking string result is equal to. This line checks the value of n using nested ternary operators. So n is greater than 0. So now we are checking if n is greater than 0, it is positive. So what I'll do is I'll give a string here which says like it is positive. Then we put a colon and here again we'll check whether n is less than 0. If n is less than 0, we'll say like it is negative. Else we'll say that it is equal to 0. Equal to 0. So print the result. So I'm writing system.out.println and we'll be printing the result. So let me run this and show you the output. So I need to enter the value of n. So I'm entering -5. So when I entered -5, it's saying it's a negative number. So let me run this once again and give a positive number. So I gave a positive number, which is 78. It is saying it is positive. So let me run once again and give a 0. So I gave 0 and it is saying it is equal to 0. So this is the program which actually tells whether the given number is positive, negative, or 0 using the ternary operators. I hope this video is helpful to you. Thank you for watching.